I ride a mountain unicycle around town.
What's the difference between that and a regular unicycle?
So it's got very large studded tires that can get a little better purchase on the ground and on the snow.
In the snow too.
What's the weather doing?
It's snowing. It's pretty rough and blowy out here. Not too bad, but good little storm.
Riding this.
Well, mostly because the streets are clear. That makes it a lot more fun. I can do a lot that I can't when there's a lot of folks outside. And I enjoy trying to hop over the banks too.
Well, the driving has been pretty slick, and the brick sidewalks can be pretty slippery. And as long as you just take it easy, it's not too bad.
Better get royalties.
Wanted to get out before the really bad ice started. Since we haven't had many days to ski yet this year, I figured I should take advantage of the little time I had before it gets too nasty. But it's already pretty nasty. Just gotta do what you gotta do.